Hi everyone, this is your interviewer Farah and I have here with me Dr. Sura. Welcome. Can you please introduce yourself and the organization you're representing?
Yes, I am Sora Al Rowas. I founded Al Sorat Consulting with my sister, Dr. Mada Al Rowas. We're based in Oman, and our organization is a bespoke healthcare consulting services. So what we do is we offer advisory services and change management services for hospitals that are interested in pursuing and maintaining excellence in their healthcare delivery. We also conduct research in terms of either research support, or we are performing a study right now about access to care, which will be available as a multi-client study in the coming months.
That sounds very impressive. Allow me to congratulate you for the award. How does it feel to receive such recognition?
It's a very humbling honor, especially after I met the awardees in this conference and really saw what wonderful shoes I am sharing the stage with. It's a group of very talented, very skilled people, innovators, disruptors, and a room full of passionate professionals. So I'm really honored to share the stage and this conference with people of this caliber.
That's amazing. Have you been able to network with any of those people and build connections?
Very much so. So I came into the conference expecting to network about certain things, mainly, trying to introduce your services to other people. But I am so inspired. We had so many wonderful conversations, not only during the panel discussions, but also in between. So honestly, there were so many times where we would be talking on a round table and we would say this should have been a panel discussion on a conference because you get a room full of people together who are passionate and excited about the similar subject with a very diverse background and skill set. So whatever you think you're imagining can be done only can expand when you're in a room full of people who are looking at it from a different angle. So I am inspired, I am excited. There's so many future opportunities that are now more open because of this conference, and I'm so grateful and happy that I made it.
We are absolutely pleased to be able to create such a positive experience for you. It is indeed very beneficial when so many people from different backgrounds come together, all having the same goal and the same passion. So that's incredible that you had a good experience here.
I said it yesterday, like people talk about multidisciplinary all the time, right? It's one of those buzzwords, especially in healthcare, that we've been hearing for over a decade. However, very few people have successfully brought this real multidisciplinary approach. So often, and this is even something I write about actually, and how doctors, quality improvement professionals, healthcare investors, they all tend to move in different circles. So to see all these people in the same place and understand each other's context is a very powerful tool. So I'm very excited for the future with gatherings like this, thinking about healthcare.
It's incredible to have a woman such as yourself in this industry. Really, I applaud you. Can I ask you for a piece of advice that you'd give to someone who wants to get into this industry?
Great. So the advice I wish I had younger is trust your intuition. Trust in your abilities. I think, especially as women, we tend to doubt ourselves a lot and imagine that other people have something that we don't have. But really, if you're motivated, if you're hardworking, if you apply yourself to always learning and growing, if you have these qualities, you have no reason not to trust yourself and have confidence in what you're doing. Also, advocate for yourself. So don't hide and expect someone to find you or know how you think. You need to put yourself out there. If you have a point of view, if you have a perspective that you believe other people should hear, you have to be the best person to deliver it. Whatever you feel passionate about, whatever moves you, if you have an emotion about, for example, something you feel needs to change, whether it's in your organization or in your community or in your society, this passion means that you have a perspective that is unique and important, and that this drive is aligned with your purpose. So don't doubt it. Don't allow people to tell you that, oh, you should, calm down. Please don't calm down. My advice to all women is do the opposite of calming down. Work hard. Go do everything. Allow your passion and your fire to fuel you. This is what will keep you young, and this is what will keep you happy. Because when you make yourself smaller to please other people, you won't please other people, and more importantly, who's gonna please you? You're living with yourself. So take care of yourself.
I absolutely agree with everything you said. If you know.
One more thing, don't be discouraged if you fail. If you're not failing, you're not pushing yourself hard enough. So put yourself in positions that you might not succeed in. And that's okay, because that's where you learn. So if you're always making safe bets, you're not pushing yourself hard enough. Make the difficult bets. Allow yourself to say, I'm going to try. And if I fall flat on my face, it's okay. I'll dust myself off, I'll laugh, and I'll keep going. And that's how you go.
Definitely. Failures are our biggest lessons. And if you know you're good at something, take steps towards it. You absolutely, as you said, you shouldn't wait for someone to discover you and be like, oh, maybe this person is going to be good at it. No one's going to take the time out of their day to do that for you. So thank you for this incredible advice. I love it. If anyone wants to reach out to you for more advice and collaborations, where can they find you?
So it's really easy to find me online. I'm on LinkedIn, for example. So Sora, Sora Al Rowas, Al space Rowas. So you can find me on LinkedIn. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on Twitter. You can email us as well. So it's my first name dot my last name at alsuratconsulting.com. So whatever medium is easy for you to reach out, I'm very plugged into all those places, and I do respond. Even if it doesn't happen right away, I will respond. So
That's perfect. Thank you so much, Dr. Sura. It's been a pleasure interviewing you. And congratulations again.
thank you. Thank you for doing this and for helping us get our message out there.
Of course, you're more than welcome. Thank you.